Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Combine 2 cups bread flour, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1 tsp baking soda in a bowl and mix until shaggy. Use bread flour for higher gluten and chew. Turn dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic, about the consistency of soft play dough. Shape into a ball, wrap tightly, and rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour to relax gluten and make rolling easier, which improves texture and bite. After chilling, divide dough into 2 pieces and roll each piece progressively thinner until you reach about 1/16-inch thickness for thin ramen strands. Use a rolling pin or pasta machine on the second to last setting. Lightly dust both sides of the sheet with 1 tablespoon semolina flour to prevent sticking, then fold gently and slice to your preferred width. Separate the strands and rest cut noodles on a floured tray for 30 minutes. This relaxes the gluten and reduces breakage. When bring a large pot of water to a vigorous boil and add the rested noodles. Cook fresh ramen 1 to 2 minutes until just al dente, then quickly drain while reserving 1 cup of the cooking water to adjust soup body. Meanwhile, simmer 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth with 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon mirin, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil for depth and balance. Taste and add reserved cooking water to adjust salt and viscosity. Serve noodles in hot broth, topped with a 7-minute soft-boiled egg and garnishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.